Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes, they know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about Naturium's Retinol Complex Serum. I've been using it. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and just an update on my general skincare and what's been going on with me. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to come to my channel and watch this video. I truly appreciate it. I want you to be a part of the crew here, so what I want you to do, and I hope you will, is hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be first to know when we are posting videos or going live over here. I really appreciate your support and future support, and it would mean so much to me if you could just subscribe to the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get into it. My hair this is my first time having a flip over weave, and I'm still trying to play around with it and figure out how to make it work without like track showing and stuff. So if you have any tips, leave them in the comment section below. But I am loving it. I'm having fun so far. Anyway, let's get into this product. So I will leave the pricing information below. I bought this, I used it for about, I would say, 45 days. So I bought this before the Target strike started. And I've been testing it for a while for a lot of reasons. I will quickly run through those. I am going to say that if you have sensitive skin, or if you're a first-time retinol user, this is a great product for you to try, and that I think it is worth the investment as your first step into retinol. And now let's get into all the things. And we're back. So the way retinol works is that it is one of the more active, caustic, stronger skin chemical treatments that are out there, and it is really hyper targeted and focused on getting rid of wrinkles, signs of aging, and all those general things that can happen with your skin. So just for reference, I am wearing lip gloss and lip liner and brow pencil and concealer, but this is my skin. I don't have any foundation or anything on. Just so that way you guys can see like my hyperpigmentation and stuff, and in terms of fine lines and wrinkles, the things that I'm working on. So basically the way it works with retinol is for best practice is that you want to start with a product that is a lower level retinol, or it's an encapsulated retinol that does a slow release over time. It's a retinol that is mixed with other actives that slow it down. And basically the goal is by using a lower dose of retinol, you can then build up over time, so that way as you reach the time when you're like in your more advanced age and you're going to want to have strong retinols, your skin will be used to it because you over the years have built up using the smaller amounts of retinol, and your skin will be able to tolerate those high amounts. So a lot of products that are targeted to women who are perhaps in their 70s or 60s, those percentages of retinol are really, really high. And if you never used retinol before and then you just jump in and try to use one of the really strong products, especially if you have sensitive skin, your skin can have a bad reaction. So in comes products like this. So this is an encapsulated retinol and a natural bio retinol mixed with buccal, which is a plant derived retinol alternative. And it is supposed to get rid of fine lines, wrinkles, improve elasticity and uneven tone while promoting overall radiance. So this is what you would call like a baby's first retinol. And because I have sensitive skin, it was really important that I started off with something low level, because I wanted to see if my skin could tolerate it, how I could use it, and how it would work. So I never use this product every night. I would use it probably like every other night, or like every 3 nights. until my skin became more acclimated with it and I made sure I wasn't having any allergic reactions or turning red or anything bad from it. Then I realized, okay, well, I could use it every other night, and then I like built up to that every other night period. And then that's how I used it. So the instructions say for you to shake well, apply an even layer on the face, neck, chest, avoiding the eye area. For best results, follow with a moisturizer, and that mild redness may occur, but if it continues, don't use it, and then wear sunscreen during the day. Patch test is advised. So any product where they put patch test on the bottle, that's how you know it's like a little more active, a little more strong than other skincare products. And I will say I had a great experience with it. It definitely, my marionette lines are still there, but it's definitely more flat, and the only thing really left is the hyperpigmentation. And even though this does help with uneven skin tone, that's not its main claim. It's really dealing with like the fine lines and wrinkles. I feel like everywhere on my face it looks smooth, and I don't feel like I had egregious fine lines and wrinkles before, but I definitely saw like in my smile areas that it used to be more defined, and now those lines have kind of faded away a little bit. And then all over my skin tone, any fine lines that I used to have kind of like around my eyes are gone. And I never had like crow's feet, but I just noticed that any place where I did see a fine line on my skin, it is now gone. Now, I feel like this product did help and contribute to that. However, I do a morning skin routine and a nighttime skin routine, so it's hard to just say one product changed everything, but I do think that this really helped play the part. I also upped my sunscreen since I was using it a lot, because even though I did it at night and I wash my face in the morning, because it is a more active chemical, I just got into the habit of I'm wearing more sunscreen, trying to make sure I reapply, especially on days when I'm not wearing makeup, so that way I could just have better overall skin health. And because I'm also using like products for my hyperpigmentation in my morning skincare routine, so just being really mindful to make sure that I'm wearing that SPF. And I didn't have any allergic reactions, didn't increase my acne or my pimples. My skin type stayed the same, so I was still combination, oily in my T-zone, dry on the other sides of my face. The oily parts of my face didn't make extra oil and become more oily. The dry parts of my face didn't become peely and gross. It really made my skin feel, after you apply it, your skin feels so moisturized, so well balanced. Like, you literally go in with the moisturizer only because, one, the instructions tell you to do that, and two, because that's like the steps you're supposed to follow. But it really feels like after I put this on, my skin is done, it's ready to go, it's amazing, but you still need a moisturizer after this because it can cause your skin to be dry. So if you have sensitive skin or you're new to retinol and you never tried it before, I would highly recommend the Naturium Retinol Complex Serum. It is like a yellow milky jelly kind of texture. It feels good on the skin. It dries down quickly. I didn't have any burning or any sensitivity issues, and it didn't exacerbate my acne or discoloration or any of my other skin problems. So I feel like now that I have been able to tolerate this, I'm gonna see if Naturium does have like a next level retinol that's like after you do the baby one, then you like step up. But if not, there's some rock retinol treatments and stuff that I want to try out. But I absolutely did love this as my introduction to retinol. And from now on, if anybody who wants to start with retinols but never used them before, that is like around my age or younger, I will definitely be recommending this Naturium one. And even for people who are older, like, yes, you want to go to the strong retinols, but if you haven't tested out any retinol, that might be something really egregious on your skin. So this is going to be a great place to start. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to come to my channel and watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a